Slider windows are a popular choice for Dallas homeowners thanks to their sleek look, wide glass views, and easy operation. They're perfect for letting in more natural light and improving airflow, two things Dallas residents value, especially during long, warm seasons. But if you're considering upgrading to slider windows, one factor makes all the difference: working with local installation experts who understand Dallas homes, Dallas weather, and Dallas construction styles. Here's why choosing a local professional ensures your slider windows perform beautifully and last for years. Dallas weather requires specialized installation techniques. Dallas is known for its hot summers, sudden temperature swings, and occasional strong storms. Windows that aren't installed properly can struggle in these conditions, leading to drafts, heat penetration, and moisture issues. Local installers understand how to protect window openings from intense sun exposure. Proper sealing methods for humid, storm-prone days. Which materials hold up best during extreme heat? How temperature changes affect expansion and contraction. This climate-specific knowledge ensures your slider windows remain airtight, insulated, and reliable year-round. Familiarity with Dallas neighborhood architecture. Homes in Dallas vary widely, from historic craftsman-style houses to modern builds and ranch-style suburban homes. Local window experts are familiar with these differences and know how to tailor installation techniques to each style. They understand how to install slider windows in brick, stucco, and siding exteriors, match window styles to neighborhood design trends, safely remove older windows without damaging surrounding materials, navigate structural challenges in older Dallas homes. This ensures your new slider windows look seamless and enhance your home's overall appearance. Precision installation ensures better energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority in Dallas, where air conditioning runs for much of the year. Even the most advanced slider windows won't deliver energy savings if they aren't installed correctly. Local professionals guarantee exact alignment for smooth sliding operation, proper insulating foam around the frame, tight seals that block outdoor heat, no gaps, cracks, or shifting that allow air leakage. Better installation means lower energy bills and improved comfort. Experience with local building codes and safety requirements. Dallas has strict building codes that help protect homes from weather risks and ensure long-term durability. Local experts are fully familiar with these requirements and ensure your window installation meets or exceeds them. This helps homeowners avoid failed inspection, safety hazards, warranty issues, delays in renovation projects. Having an installer who understands local code compliance gives you confidence and peace of mind. Quick access to support and follow-up service. When you hire a national chain or out-of-town service, getting help after the installation can be slow or complicated. With a local Dallas installer, support is nearby whenever you need it. Local pros offer faster response times, easy scheduling for repairs or adjustments, reliable long-term maintenance options, familiarity with your home's installation history. This is especially valuable for slider windows, which rely on proper track function and sealing to remain effective. Recommendations for the best products for Dallas homes. Local window experts don't just install windows, they also advise you on the right ones. They know which frame materials perform best in Dallas heat, which glass options block the most UV rays, and which brands are most durable for Texas weather. They help you choose energy-efficient low-E glass UV blocking coatings, frames that resist warping or fading, track systems designed for smooth, long-lasting operation. With professional guidance, you'll choose slider windows that look great and last longer. A perfect fit that enhances curb appeal. Slider windows can dramatically brighten your interior, but they should also look beautiful from the outside. Local installers ensure that the window fits your home's architecture and neighborhood style, and that the installation looks clean, even, and professional. This results in better visual appeal, improved home value, a cohesive, polished look. Your slider windows will elevate both your home's interior and exterior appearance. Final thoughts: slider windows are an excellent upgrade for Dallas homes, but only when they're installed with care, precision, and local expertise. From understanding the climate to navigating architectural styles and building codes, Dallas installers provide the specialized knowledge needed for long-term comfort, performance, and beauty.